Hello, skaters! I have my first brave subscriber from Finland. She sent me her toe loop jump videos, and we're going to work on that toe loop today and go over her technique to help her do corrections to get better. We're going to do this at the end of our video, so stay with us through the whole lesson. Let's start with on the ice exercises for beginners to learn toe loop jump. And our first exercise will be backward and side pivot. Why are we doing backward and side pivot? Just to make sure that after the push, you stay over your skating leg, over your right foot. So your both shoulders need to be stay over your right foot right here. Your knee and ankle bend, and then your arms line up over your right side. You can find my video just for pivots in the link above or look in the description below. Second pivot, we're going to do backward outside pivot. We will start from gliding backward outside on the right foot. Your shoulders need to be in twist position and left arm more in front. When you tap, try to turn out your left foot more and then draw your right foot around closer to your left toe. The great way to learn backward outside pivot is start from T position and glide into lunge and then pull that right leg through. Look at this in a slow motion. T position, glide forward into lunge, left arm in front, and now pull that right foot through around that left toe. Keep your hips and shoulders line up in a square position. After you did this exercise, the next step will be to do 3 turn into backward outside pivot, similar to toe loop jump. We're going to step into right, forward and side edge, do 3 turn, reach back with straight and turn out left leg, keep it turn out, keep your left arm in front, and then tap, glide around with your knees turn out, and again square position with your hips and shoulders. Next exercise will be from standstill position again, similar to previous, but we're going to try to glide through and then turn. So lunge and just glide through and again lunge. Glide through, turn, and again stretch over your right leg with your left arm in front, as you see here. Then draw right foot closer to your left toe. Keep turning that left toe. Go around and then come back on 2 feet and then stretch into lunge again. Now we're going to go more through and then step on the right foot into a couple turns. Again, start from T position, stretch forward into lunge, left arm in front, turn out your left leg, draw closer to your toe, line up your right side, go through, still on 2 feet, and then turn into backward 3 turn, couple of them into tight position, and then check out nice line with landing position. That was on 2 feet. Now we're going to do the same exercise, but we're going to lift that right leg and do quicker turns with tight position, like your air position doing doubles and triples. Starting from lunge again, pulling through, closer, and then going up with your right hip, arms going in, turn on your toe, get on your right leg, and tight position with your feet and your arms. And then landing at the end with nice extension. In our next exercise, we're going to hold on the wall with both hands and just try to work that right foot. Left foot will be on a toe, and we're going to glide through and try to get that pivot action before the toe loop. You can find more advanced exercises for the toe loop in the link above or look in the description below. Let's take this in a slow motion. Staying on the right foot, left foot on the toe, gliding closer to your left foot and trying to turn that left foot in the direction of your movement. You can see how he's working just on that. And then come back again with the leg extend and then glide through, bend both legs, and then turn out left foot. This is another good exercise. Backward chassé. Try to get that free leg between side and backward, and then you just slide through and step forward on other leg. So right foot after chassé, and then step on the left foot forward, trying to bring your right leg through. Repeat this many times and try to get those feet glide closer to each other. And then at the end, you're doing toe loop. Second exercise, mohawk, inside mohawk, 3-step mohawk, and then step forward again, trying to bring that right foot through. Try to glide with your heel forward. You can see that your toe loop get much better after those exercises. This is skater who going in different direction. Don't get confused. Now we're going to go same exercise as previous girl. Going to do mohawk, push back, and then slide forward. She going left to right, stepping on the left leg, nice load over her skating leg, but right here she's a little too short. You can see that her left side is staying behind. And then when she jump, she's going way too wide. You have to bring your feet closer together. And see how she's still behind with that left side. And we're going to do some exercises to improve that. So this is a good exercise to get your free side through. You just go over your toe, and you can see much better right here. She's going forward more than on the previous video. Now we're going to repeat this exercise, going through a couple times and then single toe loop at the end. Let's see this in slow motion again. Glide through, step forward. You can see her left leg get, free leg get through. Now the legs getting much closer. You can see that again. And then she's going over her toe, turn her hips, and stepping backward and reaching again. Again, very close now. Very nice. Then going through and then jump. Turning her hips and checking out through her toe. She landing through her toe and then extending her leg back and arms to the side. If you're enjoying this video and learning something new, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps me create more valuable content for you. Now let's go back to our subscriber video and try to help her improve her toe loop jump. What I love about her jumps, they look very light and high. And she has very common mistake, which 99.9% of beginners do. Her toe loop is turning into great waltz jump. Let's see what we can improve here. First, let's stretch that free leg a little bit more backward. Second, when you tap with your free leg or put your free leg down on the floor, try to keep your hips straight backward and keep your shoulders in a twist position to the right with your left arm in front. You can see on this picture her left foot was still up and she already turned her hips. And now when she placing her left foot on the ground, her hips is exactly forward and her free leg is behind. Same setup as for waltz jump. With her arms doing motion from backward to forward like you would go into waltz jump. Nice position in the air, good transition into right foot. I love that. Very straight in the air. But now when she lands, good landing through the toe, but the left arm dropping, losing her balance a little bit because she pulling her left side off her skating right side. Click on the link above to find more exercises for toe loop off the ice. Now let's recap. We're going to focus on 3 corrections here. Number 1, extend your free leg. Number 2, keep your hips backward with your shoulders in twist position and left arm in front. And number 3, don't drop your left side during your landing position. Keep your left arm up. Let's compare to 3 other skaters, one with single toe, one with double toe, and one with triple toe on the floor. You saw this exercise on the ice earlier. Now we're doing this exercise on the floor. Remember our 3 corrections. First, extend your free leg back. Second, keep your hips and shoulders back and move your right side through over your left foot before takeoff. Landing position through your toe and then extend your leg with your arms straight to the side. This is our double toe. We start again with 3 turn. We're doing outside 3 turn, twist position with shoulders, stepping back again, extend leg backward more, left arm in front, twist position. Keeping your hips as much as you can backward. Now free leg, free side going through during that draw after the tap, and then tight position in the air, and then landing position. Look how his arms very leveled and extend. And then the third skater going to do triple toe. Again, right shoulder behind, left arm in front, and trying to draw that right side through before you get into the jump. Left arm staying in front, stepping on the left foot, doing 3 turn, shifting your weight on the right foot, twist position, extend your left leg, little too much turn forward, but still right side going through, and then take off, rotation with tight legs and arms, 1, 2, and then 3, third revolution, arms opening, very leveled. You saw all these 3 skaters opening arms to the side for better balance. And then extension on the landing position with free leg. Now that you have mastered this element on the floor, you will be ready to start working on your toe loop on the ice. Check out the description below for additional resources. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more weekly skating tips and exercises. See you next time!